Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever tried installing Ultraviewer on your Mac only to realize it's Windows only? Don't worry, you don't need bootcamp, parallels or a Windows PC. In this video, I will show you how to run Ultraviewer on your Mac using crossover so you can remotely access Windows computers directly from macOS. Let's get started. Ultraviewer is a free remote desktop application that lets you control another computer over the internet. Since Ultraviewer does not have an official macOS version, we will use Crossover to run the Windows version on Mac without installing Windows itself. This method works best on Macs running macOS every version. Let's start it. First, open your browser and download Crossover first. Search for Crossover for Mac. Now you can see here Crossover for Mac download. Click on the link, download it from here. You can see here the download button. Click on it and download it. I have already downloaded the Crossover for my Mac and I have already set up it. First download it and install it on your Mac. Then the next step is download the Ultraviewer for Mac. Now you can see here the official website of Ultraviewer. From here, just download the exe file. Because it is not available on Mac, you can download exe file. Click on download, click on allow. As you can see, the download is finished. Now you can see the Crossover. Just open the application first. Now click on try now. It is the free version of Crossover. Now here you can see can't find what you are looking for. Install an unlisted application. Just click on it, install an unlisted application. Now you can see two details. You need to provide the installer file or disk in order to install this software using Crossover. Just click on edit. And from here just select the exe file. As you can see the exe file of Ultraviewer selected and choose installer. Click on it. Now the second detail, you need to select the bottle to install this software into. Now we have to create a bottle. Click on edit. Now give it a name. Let's suppose I will give it Ultraviewer. Then click on done. Now you can see here the install button. Just simply click on install. As you can see, it is preparing your Ultraviewer, creating the Ultraviewer bottle, and after the completion of bottle, it will install the Ultraviewer on Mac. Things to keep in mind that Ultraviewer is not officially designed for macOS. Some features may not work perfectly inside Crossover. If you experience crashes or compatibility issues, check whether a newer Crossover version improves support. For professional use, you may also want to compare native macOS remote desktop solutions. It takes some minutes, so don't be panic. Just let the installation be done. Do not close your MacBook. Now you can see here the setup of Ultraviewer. Just select the directory, then click on next, then click on next again. Create a desktop shortcut, tick this box, click on next, and then click on install. Now you can see the setup of Ultraviewer is in process. It is installing Ultraviewer on your Mac, extracting the files and all the necessary process. Let the installation of Ultraviewer be done first. Now you can see here the setup is successfully installed. Now click on finish. Now you can see it is also completing. Let it be done first. That's it. As you can see that we have created the bottle and we have successfully installed the Ultraviewer on our Mac. And that's how you can install and use Ultraviewer on Mac using Crossover. Even though Ultraviewer does not officially support macOS, Crossover provides an easy way to run the Windows version without installing Windows. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to How to Tech Hub, and turn on notification for more Mac tutorial. Thank you for watching.